I've been through hell and back. I will remind my past that you have been there through it all. See, I won't be held by fear. There is no room for worry here. For you have been there through it all. Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all these 4 new garden beds I just built. Got started. Got to buy more soil, but got it on and popping. And there they are. Yeah. And I got them filled with a half broken down leaf compost, some of my unfinished compost, and some topsoil, topsoil, some store-bought compost, and some garden soil. But I gotta get some more garden soil to finish topping it off. And I like mixing my compost with my soil. I like mixing it all in. I know a lot of people just add it to the top layer. That's just what I do. I like mixing it. So that's what I do. And look at my beans. See, there's one. That first one y'all seen me plant. And there's that second one y'all didn't see me plant. Yeah, looking pretty good, ain't they? Still got the tags on them. I'll pull them off later, but yeah. This is how stuff is looking here. Still covered up, bucking down. Some of the blueberries are starting to pop. But other than that, yeah, I'm still planting. It's lovely out here today. Y'all got up to almost 60 today. I think we're at 58, 59. Yesterday I got up to like 62, 63, somewhere off in there. Planted 2 more trees too. Red Haven Peach and Blue Damson Plum. I'll take them and show them to you. Hold on. And that one right there, that's that Blue Damson Plum. You can see. It's about 6 foot. And that's that Red Haven Peach. And I got these for the low, 15 bucks. Where? Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply. I don't usually buy fruit trees at big box stores that's over 3 or 4 foot, because I like shaping them myself. You know, big box stores, they use a lot of fertilizer on their trees, and then when you put them in the ground, they start to struggle because you ain't fertilizing them as much as they did. So I try to get them small so they ain't got that much and don't struggle as bad. And also, you believe in using bone marrow to combat that transplant shock. Yeah, that's what I do. You see some of my white flowers starting to pop. I think them is tulips, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Once again, it's been a pleasure. Thank y'all for tuning in. Odom's Homestead. Growing is my passion. Yeah. A little early Valentine's present for the wife. I caught this on sale for $2.99. She been wanting this forever. So, yeah. Had to get it for her. Thank y'all for tuning in. Odom's Homestead.